Printer mainly two types: impact and non-impact. Impact printer just like dot matrix, drum printer, line printer. These printing speed is slow, paper print quality is low, and too much noises. Now next is non-impact printer, just like inkjet and laser printers. These printers are very fast speed and printing paper quality is good, but comparison to cost is high other than impact printers. Now next monitor type, by whatever you want to see the computer screen, this is called a monitor. And console, LCD monitor, liquid crystal display, LED, light emitting diode. And VGA, visual graphics adapter, SVGA, super visual graphics adapter, CRT, cathode ray tube, and flat panel. These are the types of visual display unit like a monitors. Speaker mainly purpose of sound we are using. Now next one is projector. When you want to see the data on large screen, we'll have to use the projectors. And another one is output device plotter. When you want to take a large graphics printing big size image of flex and banner, we use plotter. Plotter many different types of plotters. One is drum plotter, second is flat plotter, and third one is handheld plotter. These plotter mainly used for image, large image, scanners, banners, mapping, etc. These are the different types of output devices. Now we can talk about computer generations. Computer generations, DI divided in the five generation, five types. Now first he use vacuum tubes, large size, and high cost. 2G we can talk. We use transistor, smaller size compared to first generations, low cost compared to first generations. Now third generation we use VLSI technique, very large scale INTEGRAT integrated IRCUIT circuits. These computer is very small, low cost, good speed and reliabilities, and storage efficiency also. Now 4G ULSI, ultra large scale integrated circuits. Now this type of generation a chip can be used to ultra large scale integrated circuits. We use normal PC just like a desktop computer in 3G and 4G, very fast speeds, reliabilities and storage data efficiency. Now 5th G, we try to switch intelligence, artificial intelligence technique. That means machine think yourself himself and they get the decision. Now not computer IQ is 0. That means computer is a deaf and dumb terminal. Only programmed instructions performed. Now we can talk also what about types of computers. And category is supercomputer, second is mainframe computer, third one is hybrid computers, micro computers and mini computers. Hybrid is a mixture of mainframe and supercomputers. Supercomputers mainly used to weather castings and typical calculations. Mainframe used to industries work, and microcomputer is a desktop computers. Mini computers is just like say that handle tablets, PC, whatever. So now next we'll talk next video. Thank you.